So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'll cover some important topics basically about the price counter email, what you have to do in case you haven't received it, and what you need to take care of while ordering the swags. So here, first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. So basically, the price counter emails were out yesterday only. If you have received that email, just claim it. Here is the step-by-step video to just come over the playlist section, and here you can see this two videos. Basically, why two videos? This first video is of trooper milestone. Basically, it is of basic milestone novice to trooper, and above video you can see it is for ranger, basically ranger to legend. So basically the first one is for printos. If you have just got an order email, basically URL where you have to just enter the address or etc, it's up, you should watch this video. And if you have to apply coupon code basically on the white square in, you have to watch this video. So I hope this clears your basic doubt. Now come to the main thing. So basically, as you are aware that there was multiple videos I have already made on about price counter. So there are some scenarios in which you haven't received the price counter email. First thing is subscription to arcade. Yes, you heard it right. On the arcade homepage, when you used to click on this is for previous players, here you can see the subscribe here form is live. This form was also live from January till 30th of June. Yes, they extended it till 30th of June so that everyone have to subscribe. And they have given also periodic reminders to subscribe to Arcade. And in case you haven't filled this Google form, basically here is a simple form. Here you have to just enter your details and just click on submit. If you haven't filled this Google form, then you are not eligible for swags. Even if you have 85 points or 100 points, 20 points, 60 points, still you are not eligible for the swags because this is the basic requirement. So I will recommend, if you are from this cohort also, first thing is that when you create the Google Cloud Arcade account, basically the Cloud Skills Boost account, make sure to subscribe over here. Then only start doing labs. Otherwise, you will lead to very problem. It will lead to very problem. And here, once you have not subscribed, then you are not eligible for price counter. Yes, you won't be eligible for the prices. So even if you try to email them, they won't be able to send you the price because you haven't subscribed to the arcade. Now, in case you have subscribed to the arcade and haven't received the price counter email, in such cases, what you can do, you should reach out to the Qwiklabs support team. How you'll reach out? You have to just open your Cloud Skills Boost account, and in the question mark you have to just email the support. What you have to email is basically the email sender is support@qwiklabs.com. You have to just mail them that I have received this points or I have not received. First I'm telling about the first thing, that in case you have subscribed to the arcade and haven't received this prize email, in such case what you need to do is, the first thing you have to do is you have to just enter that email which I have said earlier. And if you want to see the email, you can just check the Telegram channel also, or do one thing, sign into your Cloud Skills Boost account, and here you can see email support. Email is showing on the left side, you can see it, and just type it. What you have to type, that this is my, just share them your public profile and just share the details. Basically you can use simple, there is no need to write professional long paragraph of email. Just write share your public profile and tell them I have achieved this milestone. If you don't know how to check the milestone, for also I have made a video, let me show you. I have already made a video, calculate your points. Calculate your points. So I have already made, I think it is already available in the channel. You can watch it if you haven't watched it. Okay, you can just check the channel again. I will share the link in the video description, no need to worry about it. You can just cross verify from here. Okay, so let's move to the next main thing. So once you have checked that you have subscribed to the arcade and you have completed that particular game, or basically your milestone 1 2 3, basically in simple terms you have achieved 85 points for the legend tie and you haven't received the email. So you have to just use the same email with you which you have achieved 85 points. You have to just email to the Qwiklabs support team and ask that I have subscribed to the arcade, I have already receiving the arcade insider, and I am not getting the prize email yet. So you can say send the email like this. What you can do additionally, you can just attach the point. You must have received the final Arcade Insider email, basically which contains all the total points from the January till the June. So you can just add the screenshot that I have achieved and I am subscribed and I am receiving this Arcade Insider email. That means I am subscribed to Arcade. Basically, if you are receiving the Arcade Insider email, it means that you are subscribed to the Arcade. So you have to just share the screenshot along with your public profile and tell them to, if there by any chance the price counter email wasn't set, they will try to contact the main lead and they will generate the email and send. Basically, try to do this before 31st of July because the price counter is just closing on 31st of July. Now, once you have done this, it will be fine. Now, in case of any point mismatch issue, what you can do, first of all, avoid any random calculators, just count it manually. Here you can see the point system. They haven't updated yet, but it is still valid. For all the level games here, all the level games, we are getting 1 point, trivia games, we are getting 1 point, and skill patches, we are getting 2 skill patches, 1 point. Apart from this, if you have participated in the Arcade Facilitator program and earned bonus points, you should share the bonus point email screenshot also, because in case the points might not get added, generally it does not happens, but in case if due to any glitch you get lesser points, then you can just share it and they will update it and fix if there is issue on their end. Chances are there they don't update when there is issue on your end, like if you miss any milestone or any points due to some fraction of basically 1 to 2 lab free courses or any skill patches. So you need to check it. Now, if you have correctly added all the points, basically you have verified all the points and all things are correct, you have to just mail them and wait for the response. Once you get the response, chances are there, if you have shared the correct data and you have achieved the milestone, you'll be getting full Arcade points and your price counter email. Now let me summarize this. Basically, if you are subscribed to Arcade, you are eligible for the price counter and you will definitely get the good. Basically, you will definitely get the swags. But in case you haven't filled this subscription form, even if you have 500 points, you won't be eligible for the swags. So this is the main theme of this video. And if you're new to this Arcade program, what you can do, you can participate and join and win exciting goodies like this. For that, I have already created this playlist. You can watch all these videos. First of all, start from here and then just complete all this. Now that's all about today. If you like the video, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Also do join the Telegram channel, and thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Meet you soon in upcoming cohort 2.